cinnamon.
Oh, cinnamon.
Cinnamon roll. Okay nga. And then, pancake yan. What's the, ano?
Muffin. Yeah. Gluten free. You want this one?
Ay, chocolate muffins. Ano?
Double chocolate muffin. Kan mama? Bago ng damdaman?
Oo, balong madamdaman.
Kanyang ba?
Okay.
Cheese.
Are you?
Cheese on it.
The cover is one.
This is what I want. Potato.
Potato, that is very yummy. So,
And French toast.
what's that?
French
French.
toast. This is the bomb. On bread.
How about that?
Pork sausage, maybe.
Sausage.
No, no need for meat.
Mhm.